What is your favorite Filipino dish?
Halo-halo is good.
Halo-halo? What's halo-halo?
Nice.
Ay, nako.
Putang
Uy. Ay,
Lovely.
beautiful. Thank you so much for
Merry
this
Christmas.
lovely Christmas dinner. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Day 2.
What's this?
It's just a bit of the lemon zest.
So this is gonna be roast chicken.
I've already put the garlic and lemon thyme butter.
Garlic and lemon, thyme, butter.
And I've put it under the skin, under here. And then here on the leg.
Ooh.
I've cut the wingtips off. Because that's going to make good gravy. So I've spatchcocked the chicken.
So this is called spatchcock chicken.
Yeah. So I want to put all this lovely juicy stuff.
Look at that.
Put like these big slices here because these are the ones where the meat's touching the bottom.
This is like changing a baby's diaper.
So what I'm trying to do is also make sure that none of the meat is really touching the tray.
Oh.
So I cut this part.
This is the spine.
This is going to make really good chicken stock. But there was quite a lot of extra fat on the bird, so I've cut that off.
Okay.
Put that in the bottom because that will also help make a really good gravy.
So you've set the oven at 170 to slow cook for 5 days.
Essentially, that's the idea.
Ooh.
Okay.
1 pair of pants later.
How is the bird?
Let's have a look. Let's see. Going alright. Going good. Come here.
Ooh. So what do you call this method?
Basting.
Basting the bird. So the traditional English Christmas dinner is actually turkey,
Yeah.
but we're doing chicken
Yeah, just a large chicken.
because it's just the two of us.
Yeah. Everything else I've got down in here, I've got stuffing.
That is stuffing. We'll open it later.
Yes, I'm gonna
What is
put
this? Parsnip.
parsnip and carrot.
Parsnip and carrots. Potatoes.
Brussels
Brussels sprouts.
We didn't get ham though, but we're doing lechon.
Oh yeah.
Pork
We're
lechon.
doing lechon kawali instead of harm.
Lot of boring math later.
This is the lechon from last night that we boiled. That's the stuffing. Show me the spatchcock chicken. Yeah. Ooh, look at that beauty.
But it's really flaky, like it's hard to lift up.
Yeah. You're gonna put it in the air fryer to heat it up.
I'm gonna leave it here because I don't want it to dry out.
Okay. And that's gravy.
This is gonna be the gravy, yeah. So all the
I saw it
That's right.
Oh no.
All the vegetables that I put at the bottom to stop the meat from touching the tin foil. I'm just mashing it all up now.
For gravy-licious.
15 minutes later.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna put some vinegar over the fat of the lechon.
Lechon. Lechon quality.
Bit of courage.
Ay, nako.
Putang ina.
Uy. I'm gonna step away.
Lovely. I've got all these boiled potato,
Yeah.
raw parsnip and carrot that I'm now going to chuck in to the side of that lechon, and this is for the
What do you call
Brussels sprouts. This is just bacon that I've cut up raw.
Oh, I thought it's pancetta.
Yeah, Brussels sprouts, and I'm going to fry that in some olive oil and garlic, and then top it off
and
with
walnuts.
cranberry sauce and
Cranberry sauce.
maybe a dusting of
Lemon
Parmesan.
zest. Lemon zest.
So a lot of smokiness.
Oh, jeez.
We're going to have the fire alarm going off in a minute.
I know. Lovely. See you. How many minutes you think?
30. I told you.
Oh no.
But I mean, if you
It's
look at it,
smoky.
it's fucking smoky.
It's fucking smoky, innit?
Otherwise they won't roast, they'll just fry.
Oh, your son is moving a lot. 30 minutes.
346 minutes later.
Got the bacon and the garlic done. Now I'm gonna pan fry the Brussels sprouts. And get some crushed lemon.
Crushed walnuts and bacon and Brussels sprouts.
Cool, right, we've also got the gravy boiling, which was the chicken stock from the spine, as well as all the mashed vegetables that were under the chicken as it roasted. So I mixed that, and I also mixed a bit of the pork stock from when we boiled the lechon from yesterday.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing now is adding water and corn flour to this gravy so it will thicken up.
Yeah.
2 very boring minutes later.
It's super tender. I
Ay.
want to try and present it nicely. Right, boom. Cool. Good. That's good. Right, excellent.
Gordon Ramsay is shaking. This is stuffing.
Normally, you would have put it in the carcass, but because I've spatchcocked it, and because I never really do that anyway, just want to lay this about.
That is
The roast.
the roast. Ain't done.
It's alright.
Yeah. Roast vegetables with the lechon kawalwal over there. Wow, is that all oil?
I put oil in,
Yeah.
and yeah, it's the fat that's been drained.
My God. Your bit is really more exciting than my bit. Grabe, until when are we gonna eat this?
New Year?
New Year? The only thing we're gonna cook is rice.
Keep this to the side. Right, this can cool down.
Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful.
And the sauce
Oh,
go cold.
are we not gonna eat yet?
Yeah, we are. So it's-
The only downside to this Christmas dinner is, you know what? There's no rice. It's just potatoes. But it's okay, we did that last night. Fancy talaga. Parmesan. Cranberry. Light.
Cool, and then I'm going to do just a little bit of black pepper.
Lovely.
Cool. Turn that off.
Grabe, Aidan. Really, I don't have money for this.
So, oh,
Wow.
yeah.
Ay, wow. Look at that dog, the face of that dog.
Christmas dinner.
Thousands of tears later.
Ooh, grabe. Grabe yan.
Zero.
Grabe. Grabe this dog.
Some stuffing. I know you're not a major food person.
Yeah, yes, that's the one. That is the one for me. Yes. My God, beautiful. Thank you so much for
Merry
this
Christmas.
lovely Christmas dinner. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So that concludes our Filipino Noche Buena and British Christmas dinner. I think I won, not because I cook better, but because I'm eating better. That's something I didn't cook.
Well, we both done good because I loved that menudo.
Oh yeah, the menudo.
And shit. We
Yeah.
also made up the stuffing for
Ay, Shanghai!
oo.
Lumpia. Did you put that in the freezer or just in the fridge?
So ready for New Year.
Yeah, so we're just gonna do Shanghai lumpiang Shanghai on New Year, and I'm planning to cook inasal. Thank you, Aidan. I'm the luckiest pregnant person in the whole wide Manchester. Bye!